Hello, today I show you again a pretty woman, very pretty with a beard. Here are many beards as you see on her dress. Very wonderful and very collectible item. This again the French porcelain from Vion Baury. They are very old, more than 150, 160-year old. Very pretty. The plastic of this porcelain, it's very detailed and fantastic quality. Look at this rose. They look like a natural rose. Very pretty. Your painter, your eyes. Very beautiful and very collectible item. It's very beautiful and very interesting figurine from my collection. I was buy it for expensive price, I think so, but I'm very happy to have her because I love the big figurines from bisquet, and this is a real French porcelain from museum quality. I think very soon it will be not impossible to find the same porcelain, because all porcelain only in museum or in private collections. That's why sometimes I agree to pay more than never get it again. Okay, thank you very much for your watching and see you next time. Bye.